people feel inspired by like seeing someone that looks like them, you know, do their hair, put their makeup on, like be confident.
And brown eyes, you're the one that I desire. When we wake up,
enjoy my Baltimore, Westminster, Maryland natural hair conference at College. Guys, okay, that was really hype. I just got to the hotel. I know you guys probably watch like a bunch of YouTubers and they be traveling and doing their thing, and you like, you know, it ain't no thing. But for me, this is really crazy. Am I about to die? What I was saying? Oh, so this is huge. This is huge. I'm on a trip. Like, where in the world? I'm on a trip. Young KandidKinks out here tripping. Crazy. So yeah, guys, I just got to the hotel. I just so excited. Cardi B's album just came out. Have you heard it? Comment down below if you heard it. I heard it. It's a little boring. It's a little boring. It's a little boring. I'm in a hotel on a trip. Like, what the actual hell? It's all because of you. And it's all because of you. Okay, bye. Hey Trey, hey Khadijah, Kyla. Hi Janae. Okay guys, so I didn't get a lot of footage because I brought this huge camera with me and not my vlogging camera. But anyways, I had a great time at dinner and we went and saw the venue and everything that's going down tomorrow, and I'm just literally so grateful and I'm so excited and I'm so appreciative just of everything that has been happening. Like, it's actually freaking crazy. Thank you guys for like rocking with me, for watching this random vlog, for supporting me, for congratulating me, and just seeing where this can go has been pretty cool. Like, the fact that I'm even here is pretty cool. So this whole video is kind of like a look what's happening, look where I'm at, but more like a look what like all your support has done for me. Like, literally, I really appreciate it. And tomorrow is a big day. Like, what's really good? What's really good? Okay, good night. See you tomorrow.
I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I follow.
Magic on people. So if someone was able to get hair from their slave master, she could actually do some stuff on them. So I know there are a lot of traditions. I don't know about your families, but some families in the South, they say don't ever leave your hair someplace. Like, if you get a haircut, what are you supposed to do with it? Put it in the toilet, burn it, bury it. Some people say take it outside and you bury it. There's a lot of rituals because, again, understanding how powerful our hair is.
Get
transition? What was your process like, and what's your natural hair journey?
I big chopped after 9 months. I had like a TWA for like 2 more years after that. And then started to grow like 3 years ago. Like it really passed the little awkward stage, and now it's like won't stop.
So for me, I only have perm on my edges. Me and Ms. Boss. I only have perm on my edges, and so that didn't take too long to grow out. But I was that person that went to the salon every 2 weeks, couldn't tell me nothing, hair flip, ready. And so I eventually started growing that out. And a lot of people, which we mentioned earlier, is the curls that you have after you go every 2 weeks is not your for real curls. So when I decided to not touch heat, that's when my real curls started happening. And then now the current stage is curl color, and then the front is damaged, but still rocking it though.
Yeah. I tried to transition. I attempted it. Couldn't do it. Blending the 2 textures, trying to detangle, finding products that work for both textures. It was so hard. So I just decided to big chop. I love my hair super short, and I did a second big chop. I did my first one in 2014, and then I did my second one in 2016. So I might be doing another one. So I transitioned for 7 months. I stopped getting a perm in 2012, the summer 2012, and then I went 7 months and I did my big chop, my first of many big chops, February 13th of 2013. And so it's been about 5 years since then, and since then I've cut my hair at least 4 times. I just have kind of started to realize I like my hair short, so this is kind of what I'm rocking with now.
Alright. What are your hair goals?
I don't really have any hair goals at the moment. I wanted brush up length. I'm basically there, so just chilling. Really, just chilling.
Did you guys watch certain YouTubers before you started? If you did, who was your favorite or your favorite?
It was like 7 years ago. I used to watch Natural 85, like for everybody in this room. And Ambrosia was my favorite because she had more kinkier hair. And Black Onyx for sure was my people.
So for me, it was I Know Lee, Natural 85. Oh, what's her name? At the time, Taryn Guy was a thing. That's all I can remember right now. Oh, Shari J, because you're also from Detroit, so I have to look at it.
I stayed watching Mahogany KURLS. Back when her hair was short, I was in love with her hair, so she inspired me as well to go natural.
Well, like I mentioned earlier, I loved Natural 85. I also loved Nikki. I forget what her last name is, but I know it was Nikki something. She was an older one too. I also like Natural Nisi, even though we have 2 totally different hair textures, but I just like watching her do her hair. And also I Know Lee.
I definitely do YouTube and vlogging part-time. I'm a therapist full-time, so my weekends usually are recording and taking pictures and stuff like that, and I love it because people feel inspired by like seeing someone that looks like them, you know, do their hair, put their makeup on, like be confident, and they feel confident. I think that's my favorite part about all of this, like help people feel good about themselves.
Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see how beautiful you are.